Crazy.
I mean, how many people will, if they catch some level, be they feel say, yo, Charlie. I mean, that is a whole different way of defining success. Say somebody way if he help somebody.
Yeah.
That be the real self-actualization. If you're rich, finish. Then you watch back and then you're gonna say, these people before they will get to me, they need somebody to hold them
Yeah,
to.
right.
It means gonna make, like if somebody do so, they means that the person, they believe say, he has actually actualized, a rich. But if in your head you have more to do and you're not happy with who you are, you never do it. So that's greed.
That's the problem, because when a senior men they feel say they no catch there yet.
Senior men.
Some senior men.
Some senior men for what inside? So you be musician inside.
So for that lane
inside.
They go feel say they no catch there, but them pass.
No, sometimes
when they go feel to hold one hand.
Sometimes they don't catch there. Then get level. Even at the top, no, they get top for there.
Yeah, the top then get top for there. But at least I see the rise for pull somebody small make rise. You see,
but honestly, you know, be everybody way it be supportive. You understand? You see, like myself, if naturally I see say somebody get talents, like if you come sports, if you come entertainment way, I see say you get the talents, but you know they get the pusher. My body they itch me.
I thought you say manage me. I talk for years to make the guy manage me.
You see right now. We not hear your freestyle. I mean, you hear what I freestyle. So
make I give you freestyle. So make I rap then sing.
You do.
What make I do first?
Oh,
any of them.
Why they engage now? Do that thing.
See, I'm sick and tired. I'm sick and tired. I'm sick and tired of chasing this world. Was turning my back to the lost call. Lord, I'm sorry, but I hope you're not bored. It's the work of the devil, or maybe it's my fault. Yo. You don't want me to do this, man. You don't want me to do this, man. Make us sing.
Sing.
Give me words. I don't want to do freestyle.
Okay. Besum.
What be the meaning of Besum?
Come and hold it.
Come and hold it.
Yeah, man.
Girl, you know say that thing strong, oh. You know say that thing tight, oh.
Yeah.
All I want be say, Besum.
Come hold it.
Honestly, this guy is a man of many talents.
Hey.
On a real.
But you know say some birthday house they talk say you write to the song Realism already.
Nah, never. Never.
Because no, this is too good. No, like it's too good to be a freestyle.
Yeah.
Anyways, more go straight to today's topic. Then say, yo, you go fit date your bestie in X. The way like I called you individually, where everybody make hot for the phone top. I won't start plus Kwame Envy.
Charlie.
You go fit move your bestie in X.
This thing hard. My bestie.
Bestie goals.
Charlie. Honestly, me, I no go fit. I feel so I no go fit. Cause Charlie, if me any day self, I go to think about Charlie. So this is my guy. Where my bestie to be another troublesome guy.
You get bestie.
My best friend.
You get best friend. It be guy or be woman?
Guy. No. I know they do women bestie. That's in they know the work.
Oh really?
You know the work.
Okay, so your guy bestie, you know, you seen woman before?
I seen one before.
She the B, right?
Yeah, she's cool.
What if them break up with Charlie? Actually, they console the girl that things, you know.
This my guy. Me damn day. We go like 16 years now.
Okay.
So we be like brothers. So woman same no go fit come between we. We are not get plenty parties like that. We get parties where with the road they do, but we very close. We did one class from high school.
Okay.
So from high school, how we come catch this level? You know my woman, I know your woman. Some time ago, Charlie, I tried dating myself, Charlie, some way.
Why?
Cause there be some way.
But why boys don't like that thing?
But maybe some way. Cause I feel then instead of the mind deal, but later I feel say no, Charlie. The way me them boy they by all means will I do some things.
What if you break up? If you break up,
no, that means as you break up, the guy that me I'm to do business.
Yeah, you go sports.
It's my bro, my bro. Right now, so that's how the kind say if you call me say Charlie, make sure say make sure Charlie. So if I date
such a person
insist or I can't date your ex or something, I don't go work.
Yeah,
it be slow. that one I code there. We know the
Stanley, you don't feel say something so you break the friendship code or bestie code or the proof say you don't be loyal.
Honestly, me I dey feel say you know really cool, but
you see what you pour the talk.
Oh,
I know this guy in mind.
That's the truth. You know really cool. You see, let me tell you something. You see, for example, I know say best friends then get plenty things in common. So my mind be say, if you be my best friend, the thing we know what give you than your ex no go what give me the arm. Because I dey feel say we get a lot of things in common.
It's debatable though.
Because on a real, me I know somebody know if you be my best friends if me that no get a lot of things in common. You understand? No. Relax.
See, look off the camera. They made them talk to my heart.
No, be like. The camera don't exist.
Relax.
Okay, they come. Make it land.
Relax. My point is, say, to me, it no be really cool. Yeah. If it be cool, give you that be your mind.
Yeah.
That's why if your mind day, but me my mind no day.
Okay.
You understand?
Talk.
Yeah, my mind no day. So I dey feel say if you know what give me my friend and in exa, you know go what give me.
Right.
Where I dey want make that respect, then that trust day between me and my friend. You but because as at the city I get best friend. Okay. You but where I get respect give them. Even though you know get woman self, you but I get respect give them. So I know they feel say it go be cool so I go do something like that to him. Who I know say you no go do that to me, you but so me them my mind no dey.
Big. You see, say every show I get one person way Charlie. It mess up. The last episode I get somebody so now they call him street. The guy there. The guy he mess up everything I go ask there. He will get different answer. Bro, flow cry. You bore about flow. Sip.
I got a question for you.
Me, I ask you a question. You get a question.
Yes.
I hear.
My party, you know, meet the girl for street.
Okay, where street means?
No be your sister. I want to now share again. Another lie. Now next question. No be street meet I go meet am for.
Yeah.
I don't take your family member. So the question be say, I go make you know. See my mind there for your ex.
Okay, so you go make it know.
Easy. So my mind there for your ex. It go bore you or it no go bore you.
Okay, it go bore me. What you go do?
It go bore me. Then I go do Amanda.
Hey,
but then they for come and say.
Then the guy know be your best friend. In the first place, the guy know be your best.
What be best about this thing?
Honestly, I tell you something. Me, I dey feel say it be two things. The moment your best friend and ex-girlfriend come to the picture, it be either say you go make a choice. Either you did.
No, but I like the way you rate this whole bestie thing.
Bema.
You really get your heart stop.
Yeah.
Your friend no matter before.
It depends on the friends with the work class. You buy because no.
Make it
boys, we feel play, we do everything together. But that respect level for day. You understand? That respect level for day. Well, make I tell you something. The moment a woman will come between you and your best friend, see, make I tell you something. If you let the girl go day or anything, it be a sign of cutting off your best friend.
Yeah.
Because women, and they tell you.
Make I ask you this. What if your best friend is cool?
See,
in my day,
see, we be human beings. Not seem be cool about this.
No, listen. Make I give you scenario.
Yeah.
Make I take come here so say you go to say better.
you to guess scenario.
Yeah, make I talk. Big.
You get back to start guessing now.
So the thing be say, I be your bestie. Me, I move on, cry. Where my ex tell me say, they like Stanley. I say, Stanley. Charlie, my ex say, me not work out plus me down. He say they like you. Charlie, if your mind me, I move on. I think of marriage then things. What you go do?
See, make I tell you something. This thing right now, it make two faces. It be different. Say your bestie in ex, they like you. Where it be different. Say
answer the question based on the scenario I give you.
Say
where you fall, so probably you don't feel control your emotions, so you fall.
Honestly, for me, my bestie, even not my bestie self, my normal party self, in woman be a total turn off give me. On a real.
No matter the sex.
If she be 10/10, still. You buy what I did. Yeah, because me I dey feel say that respect there for taking my bestie or for taking my friend.
I see some comments be Online. Before Big Goons go talk, you make a drop on.
Big Goons go make a close for room.
He say, before anything, we did Bosphorus for the Laboni inside here. That's where we chill for. That's where we vibe for. So, Charlie, on a normal day, go if you pass through plus your guys, plus your woman, then yo, turn up. He said, yo, Jeff, I don't go forgive my party in boys safe. So this big girl they talk. We say, I don't go forgive my party in boys safe. Nothing go be me for in body. As I know, say my party woman eats padia. Like what Stanley talking?
Okay, I got two scenarios.
But for women, me I need to trust.
Charlie, since women
for women,
you don't say the women with the fall.
Me, I witnessed that thing from before. My ex be in Paddy jump on me before.
Your ex in Paddy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That is a long distance relationship.
Yeah, it no be long.
In Paddy. But
my ex,
Paddy don't say now you dey move on, right? You know.
You know.
Woman dear.
Some few minutes I cough. Where?
But you agree give them?
I know we don't complete. No, we don't come. No.
When you're gangster.
No. See,
you not be gangster. You not be gangster. If you gangsters, you be real.
Yo, gangster.
Gangsters, if you find, make a talk.
Yeah, gangster.
I got two scenarios.
All right, bro.
This one there, bro, if you don't watch me, I'm sorry, they can't drop your keys.
But
so then, I'm not going to mention your name. Charlie.
So you don't mention one of best.
No. I don't go some side. I don't go do some job for the Osu inside. Maybe Osu, Circle. I meet my old party B. With them the vibe, where Charlie told me, say, already, he moves on girl. We mentioned the girl and I said, hey, that got fine. They say, already, safe. They do some video call, take screenshots, safe. I said, watch them. I said, hey, it be true. I said, but I know this your party in woman. They say, that my party self, you move and give me.
Oh, you be real gangster.
And see, ask Denshon. Denshon for a long time, like from 3 years, 4 years. Where this one told this one, say, oh, Charlie, I see your girl for you. She fine. You always say, oh, we not deal, but we the thought chat. We say, run from here. So you see, initially, the girl thought they were trying to play her because they are two friends. But the way Australia corner, this guy have moved on. And this one seems genuine. And the guy be nice boy, so he moved to him. Let me tell you my scenario. Why I said there. Yeah, I see some nice girl. What's her name? Body con shada. I be you bad. Where then I see him where for the first time in my life I moved to woman. Because of me, I don't want to make you bounce me for street.
Yeah, I mean, like your one.
I mean that. I go to up like 12 a.m. then shout, hey! You feel me? So why they laugh? My serious matter they tell you.
I don't laugh.
If you laugh, I will stop.
Yo, go.
Be gangster. So I moved to the girl where he might date for me. We come my house where we solve past questions.
Maths or science?
No consent. So see, we solve the questions. Thermodynamics. We solve the question. Finish. Where you go house? Where my party call me say, bro. I hear you come down. I say, I can't do something. He say, somebody say, C plus my woman. I say, what be your name? They mentioned me. I said, damn it. We solved the question.
You find X.
You do finish. We solved the question. We say, oh, Charlie, we still there now. I say, there's one of me. Because me, I stopped already. We say, no. I'm not going to tell him, say, I know. So we will solve the question.
Look you two.
I be a control BC, so we solve them. I don't think you conf.
No, I don't conf. No.
So then we they solve.
Metaphorically.
We they solve where we somewhere. My party say, oh, you know they like the whole idea, so you know go solve again. So you don't want change. You don't want change subjects. We change subjects, and so now when my party be cool. When we too, I solve small, but change subjects. Where we are still cool homies. So we even do business together now. Okay. You tell me now.
Sister, you get a street mentality.
Now. As a gangster, you stay a gangster.
That gangster go crowd over here.
Poor guys, make I ask you this. You say, stay do me before. Hey, like I cannot talk to you.
You talk already. Do your party before. Do it before you go.
See, you the move woman where you go visit them. Say hostel or wherever, we introduce in party woman give you. As you introduce in party woman give you, as you size the woman, you say, like you know be giddy like That's my kind of woman.
This is a wife material for you.
This is my kind of woman. Like the way she did, the way she did talk. This be the woman I want date. So God, if you say you dey lead me to this woman through my woman, it happened to you before.
You're a gangster.
See, look at something. Then like we get some family WhatsApp page. So as I know the question, then I put for there, try to find ideas. Where one of my cousins text me say, if you be brother self, you know the base. If you be brother in ex self, you know the base. Because they believe say maybe God if you use that like in brother as
no using it.
No. You see, look at you, honestly. People that use that thing as cover up.
When they meet the wrong people,
your
brother.
See, right now there you say,
you ain't against that. You ain't against that.
You see, your best friend is more like a brother.
No, gangsters don't do that.
No, people they take this bestie thing on a whole different level.
And they tell you, the one the boy will be the girl, the boy them are bestie thing.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
You know the way.
No, that one. See, that one
There's
they don't.
bestie about that.
They work on the outside.
We
Why you want open kiss for her? If they work on outside. If they work.
So you get besties.
Yeah.
You get besties when they be women.
You don't get one self.
You get besties. You say yeah.
So you get besties when they be women.
I'm a very friendly person.
So sometimes your besties, the women, then they call you the vibe class, you they visit them things.
When we visit,
where they solve
your besties.
we they solve questions. Why you ask for my record on TV? Like really?
I get another question. Give you guys. So to add to the scenario I give, sometimes, especially with the women, I'm sorry, but bunch when they do this thing, they go shut up. If they say that they like them a party in guy, no, they go shut up, spoil the relationship. Anytime the other woman go take something, come say, "Charlie, my boy do say, oh, they for left farm, they for do, they for
yeah.
But he go handle the thing better.
That's why did I talk to women? For women, the men do are sometimes
we don't share the base.
We know the best than but women, Charlie, or cast for budget or budget, they go take.
But if woman say go take it, it won't take them serious. So But if boy sometimes 99% of boys who they won't take them, they won't just eat them, clean them off.
So like what you talk, okay. If I see you plus your woman, and they tell you so, maybe gonna take your woman come body. If I see you plus your woman,
I not get some yet. So.
Where I see him,
give me some.
Where I see him, where they wreck my wife. They wreck my wife. I was trying to find a way to ask you, what be your plans for your woman?
For the girl.
No. Look key, like with the play.
They wreck your future wife or they wreck your wife.
If she be my future wife, I know.
Wreck in terms of physical appearance.
Boys when they pray, you don't even know how to connect to your future wife. I know my future wife.
So is that.
Gangster and prayers.
Okay.
Stop laughing.
Die. If they see me funny, we could not laugh. You said me to hold your laughter.
So, if she be my wife, where be your girlfriend? I'll ask you, bro, you get to go marry him. What is it no? Oh, I gonna move to him. Yes.
Guys be hunters, like.
Maybe guys behind. I'm a gangster.
Oh, this gangster.
You go for things that is yours. Otherwise, you never go get them.
So hold on there.
If you move to my woman, I will beat you.
You see, they tell you about some points. Wait, alright. See, make I tell you something. You see, this is one of the. You say you bring your body.
You be gentleman, pal.
I be very, very gentle.
I'm a gentleman too. Okay, everything I talk, I dey lie.
Why you want to relax? Look at
everything I talk, me lie.
Look at tell you something. You see what daddy talk me. If how they raise you say, make you not take what's not be your own. You no go envy. Relax.
That be stealing. That be like petty stealing. You make count sounding those things.
This one here, I get something talk. You the talk.
It not be just about stealing. Something where you not be your own. You know, you talk say something where your own you will take or your party. If it be your wife, will be your party in woman.
It be my wife. My party, your girlfriend. You're wasting your time.
You see. What's the so you get that
your wife.
You get that thing go ask them.
What they show say be your wife?
You see, make I go quick 10 come man. We go talk about that one. Okay. What they show say your party in what?
In girlfriend be your wife.
What is shows your party girlfriend your wife?
You there? Make I go quick commercial break. Make I go break, come man. That's in the over meal. At the back, we go break, come man. We come on. We still day top. We go vibe.
The Huawei Y8B before 13th August to enjoy a free Huawei Band 4 and gift box, plus a Huawei VIP card. Hurry! Terms and conditions apply.
As a woman, HealthLink range of products have been my companion, and thanks to Antiama for introducing and adding HealthLink Omega-3 fish oil, which contains fatty acid that has enabled me to be very active without stress. HealthLink Immune System Tablet, formulated with a rich content of vitamins A, C, B6 and B12 as well as selenium, is helping my body mount good defense against all diseases and promote wound healing and recovery from ill health. And the ideal part is, it's a once daily dosing and can be taken as food supplement. HealthLink Omega-3 fish oil and HealthLink Immune System tablets are available in pharmacies and chemical shops. Bulk purchase, contact PharmaTrust Limited or call 0561 088 663 0561 088 666. Health Link, your link to a healthier lifestyle. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Food and Drugs Authority.
Yo, Charlie, we still day top. Your mind for day for GH1 TV top. If you watch this particular show on every other platform at the back, they not be Jeffrey Notte way day top. You know be me. More times see they dream. So the question be say, you go fit date your bestie in X. You go fit join the conversation for Instagram at Jeffrey Notte1, and on Twitter it's Notte_Jeffrey. Before we go on, hey, I forget to make I advertise my hand sanitizer. See. This be one of best you. We are not in normal times. Like this for be your bestie. Whereby they go be are you people use them already?
Yeah.
Hey, gangster thing.
They can call you again.
I bet pass give them.
You have touched it.
So before we go the commercial break now, the thing is you say your party in woman as a CM no, you say this be your wife, this be your future wife. So how you go know say guy, you date my future wife? Wait. You stand
you see me, I get since where I want to see in a woman making sure she's my future wife.
Okay. No, probably your specs to be somebody in specs so like what do they want to see in a woman or maybe somebody to want to see the same thing.
You guys want to pray. What I say? If you
are being led.
Yes. Yes. Listen, the more you pray, keep quiet. I say keep quiet. If you say woman, Scoopy, where should be your wife? Okay, you go feel some pain before you.
Charlie.
Okay, question. Talk. So you ever feel the pain song for that?
How many times?
It not be once.
Next time, like your forehead make like Hellboy.
Don't need the number of times you feel
Stanley, since you from the way they talk, no, I didn't talk say the other guys will be gentle, but like you're very particular about this whole bestie thing. I mean, I know you do bestie. You know, Charlie. I don't really I fear human beings. So something that I go fit tell Stanley, I don't go fit tell you. Depending on how you solve issues, you buy the movement. Now, what are the count of say? I forget.
You say since I've been gentle, so you like
you like the title. Since
gentleman and a gentleman.
Something so there. What if your party can't tell you say, yo bro, my idea woman inside. woman where you the date to, how you go take him?
It is funny myself. My best friend where I get right now, Kwame Amankwa Okufu.
Shout outs to him.
Yeah, Kwame Charlie, shout outs. But on a real, I dey feel say if I'm being very real, I dey feel say that my party no go even go that extent.
So what if something so happen?
It no go happen safe. See, me, my woman, I know the joke. You understand? If I did relationship, I know the joke plus then things.
Have you ever been in an unserious relationship before?
Oh yeah. Today, I get different bestie for here
at the back. Make the show not make
bestie.
Make the show not make the conversation stop.
Bestie.
Only time you go say S the goose.
Big goose.
Sally Mogo.
Yes, like I dey talk now. Me, I know the fool say my party go do that. You understand? Where if he can't tell me something like that, first of all, my trust level give am go reduce. My respect level give am go reduce. Cause I dey feel say, Charlie, why you dey laugh? Make you laugh.
At this moment, don't make me
make you laugh.
This guy, I just say, the woman they watch out for house.
Can they wear down?
The woman want am so. Say if you not so free.
No, relax.
No.
You see, make I tell you something. You dey make your body too much of a gangster. The gangster small than everybody inside.
Yeah.
That be how the gentleman to
You
small
don't
for
get
them
gun. You
inside.
don't get gun.
No. See, gangster. Right now you say be gangster. You now you say they pray. You right now I want make you do you.
But gangster they pray.
Okay, so
You don't know.
something. Gangster they pray as relax.
So say if you come out, you know.
Relax. Gangster they pray as what? You be religious.
Yes.
You be Christian.
Yes.
It be and no for you cry in the
To be
first
a gangster.
to snatch your to take your
There's a quotation in the Bible which I don't know the quotation. But then the Bible talks say,
tell me
you finish your own.
you dey lie you
No. He say the price of a prostitute is not more than 2 loaves of bread. You see before?
Digest time. No go give you scripture then you left me so.
Let's research him. So, but what did they drive at with that? What did they drive at?
I don't know what that talks say. You
if you say from this so that's why
Make I give you guys something. What be the challenges? What if you start to date your party in X? Probably in what give you. You understand? When they date them, don't they feel say there will be some comparison be?
exactly the point I did make.
Say, oh, your party
your
not
friend
do
was
me
like
so.
this.
You they can't do me so.
See, in normal sense, even if the person, if the girl you date, if she not date your party before safe, most women, about 80%, they compare them exes to their current relationship.
Yeah.
You understand? How much more being your best friend?
When you know say if you not get a relationship inside your bestie, it's like your bestie be the best person to be in the relationship because if they see things outside the relationship, they go like, oh boy, like if I not do so, oh like if I not shout on now. So they do body like yo,
if
play
like it will be perfect.
But instead, you know they sit up for his own inside. Yo, big goon. What be the challenges when you go face if you date your party in X?
Me, my kind of friends, you see. You see, we're all raised from the gangster neighborhoods. So you know, listen, no. You see, when I'm talking and you laugh, I get confused.
You do the same thing. You do the same thing. That's how they told you they laugh.
Already, you conf me. Don't do that. I'm saying, listen. I'm saying, I conf. See, conf. I say, listen. If my party be like me, why do you think they will have issue? Because my party go feel meet me for street, then tell me say, Charlie, if you are there, I say, oh, she does. I say, that girl, hard girl. Charlie, for take off, and he ends there. So that means if you guys be soft within, when your boys, the parties too not consider be boys. You guys are too emotional. Then I get it. You guys can't do besties X. But the only thing with the chase be money. If you don't be money, we not go figure emotional.
Okay.
Am I making sense now?
I know you have your point, but
Okay, you go take them. So
Yeah, what are the challenges?
tell me, I feel say
You go fit serve your body.
Me,
You say you go fit enter inside.
if I date someone, yeah. It's like my party. You go make like either my party, either my best friend, be like siblings.
Yeah.
Because we will come house, we all day, we the vibe, they do this and things. So if you go 10 say Charlie, my party for come date, I go date your bestie, your best friend. Like it's not gonna make sense to me. Me, it's not gonna make sense to me. It go be some way.
But listen. What if he's cool with it?
No, bro.
That be the cool part. The cool part.
You go fit try say you go be cool, but you go work.
Human beings is something else. I will tell you say it be cool. Oh, Charlie, move to one. Oh, Charlie, feel free. Charlie, this that. The
Doesn't mean that no.
The next minute he has a different mentality about you. And they tell you.
Okay, you aside being a bestie, have you never dated a girl who once dated a friend?
Me, they ask me
All of you, your entire lives.
No, they are not know.
Yeah.
So you never know where you dated them before.
No.
Where you can know.
Yeah, no.
Wait, how you feel?
Wait, tell me, hey, you know this person? I say, yeah, so in my ex, so. But I didn't feel bad about it because now, the time that they get set, it's here. But
listen,
this is how they can't talk, it not be scenario. True story. Where I go feel go emotional on the show, then cry. They go, if you start to wear, then my heart up.
But make no cry.
Now I dey move this woman. Now we know the relationship not should not be serious, but now we be serious. We'll be serious in terms.
Charlie, if you cough.
I tried it in the words.
No, it be the truth.
See, now in terms of behavior like boyfriend and girlfriend, now not be serious. But yo, now they give she call me, she seek for ideas, then things. But she want take the relationship to a whole different level.
Okay.
But me, as I watch the person say, like they got me good girl. Like we not go lie. You know, sometimes you go feel read relationship. Say this one, you know, go end better.
So you knew it not go well.
Yeah. So I tell them say, nah, no go feel take and go there next level. When he tell me say, oh, your party, you see my party doing for Facebook. Wait, say, oh. I go fit chat them. I say, we go fit chat them. Why? What's up? He say, oh, nah, she dey seek permission first. I know you don't say boy. I say, oh. So I see they reply. And the place they gonna watch this episode. She they reply my party for in post under for Facebook and things. So, yo,
where it starts?
Yeah, the time I realize no something they happen.
The party to be sharp guy.
True for God, life for Satan. The thing pay me. Somebody will say I don't want to take the thing go different level.
Because you're not against her.
Yo, it pay me. It go me
See, no cry. Relax. Listen. It be. I don't know
chicken breast or
I don't know the word. Look, I use give them. But on a real, and they feel say respect be very, very, very important between friendship. Between friends, I mean, you understand? If there's somebody day as friends, before they in back, before they your back,
Not be respect, but loyalty.
Wait, aside that, this one will be just your friend, though. It be your best friend. You know what they make someone they qualify as your best friend.
Stanley, if you get X, you dey block them for all social media platforms. Like you dey delete the number 7.
They depend on how you go break up.
So what if you break up? The breakup be giddy some way, be not be on a mutual level.
If it happen, I think block them.
So if you block them, you know they own them. So whoever you go date, be if you Bob say they date to your party, be you don't go feel
problem. Yeah, but you see, so far as my party knows me that the girl.
Your party don't know say you the day.
But if you don't know, there that one be different. That one be different.
But why you put the talk like
Just
if
wait,
you date
just
somebody,
wait,
they own them.
just
You they own
wait.
them some rights, be.
Tell me, wait.
No, see, the way he's saying you, the ball. Say you go no say
wait.
my party. You my party. You go date my ex. But you what's
See,
up?
brothers.
You slow.
We be boys. You all know say sometimes we dey date, but we don't mean it. I dey lie.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know.
You dey fit date.
What do you mean?
See,
You know they mean them.
you go date them.
So you date to my way you not mean before.
You know me about me. I say
Hey, you date to my way you not mean before.
for SS. I say, listen. Why you guys dey laugh? I say listen.
Yeah, we dey listen.
You know say boys with the fit dates. But we know why I say if the girl preg self, you go vex.
If the girl what?
She preg self, you go ball.
If she preg, how?
Yes. If she get pregnant,
Give you.
yes, because she want to secure you guys, or she want to lock you, make you guys marry in the end.
So it be true say women they do so.
A lot of girls do it.
I go share that make
So
things,
then,
okay.
if it go vex you, listen, if it go vex you, then it means deep down you are not too sure you settle with her, but then you date. So what if it's one of those things? My friend never take him serious, but then he wants solve past question with him. So then he moved to one, because there are some girls, if you are not dating them, you are never getting to have sex with them.
Yeah.
So we boys, we know that sometimes you don't, if you don't date, it never they happen. So then you date because you want to make it happen.
Make I read this comment.
I hear.
Jeff, this matter they make I carry my own. This matter they make I dey carry my own. Ask me that my guy Sean, so woman in the talk. Ask me that my guy Sean, my party started work plus am. As I ask him, she say it be God will put them together. Hey, now I won't kill himself.
I told you. The forehead.
Hellboy.
He say it be God.
She felt the pain.
So you when you say you dey talk say you something so I dey believe so you be very spiritual person. You dey talk say if you're not happy so. Your party dey talk say it be God way he put you he put your ex the arm together. What if he's making sense though?
That the God I know doesn't do.
No, don't do that. No.
I'm serious.
No. If be God in front say you meet in white first.
See, if it happen, but you the victim way, like then go take your woman. You don't go feel okay.
Of course.
You don't go feel okay.
But if you are
Your
the one,
man be boss.
if you are the one enjoying and the friend was bleeding, you can find.
Sometimes how enjoy the son in some way,
man.
but that is we see no go last. No go last.
I don't want make you take selfie. That's
Sure,
what you
sure.
don't take.
No go last.
I dare for you.
If I come from that angle,
No. Hey, why?
take yourself here.
Your hand be short. See,
I say if I come from there, if I take give up.
short people there. Oh,
You cry.
you take them.
So I don't how you hey so I want to
Oh, pray. They are trying to question.
Your mind for day.
Sharp.
I can do video attach it.
You the word be good. Oh.
Charlie, go down.
Oh, where I do this?
Charlie, what the? You feel me?
Charlie. Kwame,
Bro,
if you the woman Sean, you dey delete everything. You dey delete in pictures, you dey delete it. Then times you for then
No.
primary SHS time, then I want they bend pictures self.
yeah,
You dey
no,
left
me
it.
I do that thing.
But me, I get all our deleting pictures before.
what?
Wait, I get some to I not delete before.
If it was next level,
But see, if you the MP for, I will block you.
You know they hear say you go delete some pictures or block them. No, me I don't do that thing.
I can show you.
We be cool.
Yeah.
You know work where we dey one or somewhere. Make everybody there in somewhere. But the job I do photography, videography. Charlie be here my service. There is this instance my ex called me said Obawari
program.
Obawari
See,
Entino you be anything.
come to the pictures.
Oh yeah. I did the wedding invitation and everything.
I ain't doing it.
We went to
I go edit spoil
we went to the venue. We are checking everything together. Charlie, we are that cool.
You know, excellent.
You
Yeah.
see, so sometimes me I get some exes way, we exes or X. I get some X way.
Excess.
Hey,
I know you excess.
you get access on TV.
Way me and then they so still. They feel they see my program. Yo Jeff, you are doing well. Charlie, big up then sing some like you then know my past. You see, that's like me and then they super cool. But some people how did they break up? It be Jet Li then Bruce Lee something.
That's the me I no experience
She
on.
will test you. You are ugly, so let's break up. Or you are too short.
That be gangster.
You are too
That be
short.
gangster break up.
You are too short. I don't have anymore.
I get 6 packs. You get some.
Gangster no they talk with food in his mouth.
No. Okay. A real sugar daddy.
Young sugar daddy.
Small boy sugar daddy.
Small boy sugar daddy.
We don't fight over these things.
Okay.
Because if you are eating these things on a regular, you don't have this tightened skin and things.
Relax.
This shows abrabo enya hard. But abrabo hair. Are we the way edit this part, right?
Never.
Oh no, but I mean, Charlie. I mean, going back to the main topic. If my friend is cool, why not? That's all.
The cool part.
If my friend is cool, why not? If my friend is not cool, where the gangster, then I for do on backside.
So they miss no matter what you do, they go.
Because if my forehead, if I see the woman and my forehead do the thing they do now, she's my wife.
So that's the question I asked. So how many times your forehead do that?
They do often, but if you do, listen.
So how many wives you get?
No, listen.
Answer this question.
You Solomon, how many girlfriends you not bring yourself?
You be Solomon, you get that grace.
It means say God want to tell me say I for not marry one.
I feel say the crew they laugh.
They're actually laughing.
Yo, away from dating, you meet your party woman where your instincts, your everything way day your inside tell you. Your everything way day your inside tell you say, this one day I won't eat. This one.
Forget my party is that one. I no good.
So they take better women.
Kai. No, some they think.
Charlie.
This guy.
After this, what they go do?
Envy.
What they go do you?
It happened to you before. Some small fling be like, as you meet your party woman, say, we go feel meet when a party woman and say, hey, the girl find you when a party force you. But it ever come your head inside say, hey, if I get that.
If they're strong, I will move to one.
You ever come your head inside?
I guess so experience, but I'm not going to talk.
You go talk and they come to you. Envy. You ever
It come my head inside before.
say, this your party woman dear.
Cha, I mean, to be sure I'm say Charlie go on fatal.
You dey tell them or you talk from your head inside?
I feel like tell him. Go on fatal.
But that one they be play.
Charlie Panama. Like say play. But for the real Charlie go on fatal Panama. Then you just go laugh over him. But then say seriously, say I go feel say Charlie Minya madam for. No, I don't think so.
Stanley, the experience you get, the reason why you for drop out for the tabletop is say, see the show top with the learn. I feel they get bunch messages. People they tell me say Charlie, now I know how I go pick this move. Now I know how I go Charlie, take this move, take this 10 and things. So if I drop the experience.
No, me, my point is to say, or to make I talk to my experience. I get some party there. Like, I think they be one of the people where I work class for like a long time. But anytime you go get woman, before you can introduce the girl give you, then he spoil you already. Charlie, relax, sir.
It's a nice move.
He spoil you already. Charlie, you look as so small. Be like
On this note, I go commercial break. The menace where they sport, my parties before they go introduce them, my girl give them your mind for day. We'll go talk.
Cause I'm the new best thing. I'm the new best thing. Better than you've ever seen. I'm the new best thing. I'm gonna be the king. I bring that ching ching ching. Yeah, I'm the new best thing. I'm the new best thing.
Discover new Silky Guinness Smooth. Perfectly balanced for a smooth, refreshing taste. New Guinness Smooth.
Pre-order the Huawei Y8P before 13th August to enjoy a free Huawei Band 4 and gift box, plus a Huawei VIP card. Hurry! Terms and conditions apply.
Charlie, we still date top your mind for day with a vibe, with a gist on a particular topic. Say you go fit date or marry your bestie in X. That be the topic for the day. My name is Jeffrey Norte. As usual, I day on Instagram at Jeffrey Norte 1. Follow Moku Vibe. Charlie, some comments be drop.
It's awesome.
So I won't read them. It be English inside. Best friend of 9 years married my ex-boyfriend. Hilarious part of it is all they met through me. Or say it hurts. I feel the girl in pain. It hurts like hell. I felt so deceived and betrayed. I had given her the opportunity to disclose me to her true feelings, but she never did.
No, I don't get it.
They give her opportunity to say, Charlie, make her know whatever they happen for your love life inside. Okay. But the girl never tell him anything. She also flashed around all the lavish gifts he bought her on social media. when we were still on good terms too. They were still good. Now, the girl they talk say, when I put my foot down, they said, Charlie, this time around, they for tell me what they happened. When I put my foot down about the whole thing, she took that as a mere opportunity to take a run and be with her and be with my ex. The thing be not be bold enough. So make a summarize them. In party day, 9 years, party where the party go move in X. Why you see woman?
No.
The party go move in X. So you buy the movement. Where it tell them say anything where they have for your love life inside that, tell me. You know, some people be open like that.
Yeah.
You don't tell them anything. But what in X they buy give them the thing, they take to social media talk, the things.
No, wait, listen, Jeffrey. Ask them the dates. Like they were already not dating anymore.
They were not dating anymore.
Then it's nonsense.
Wait, you not tell them. That's what they pay them.
Oh, okay.
You bought the money. So ask them say, I be Charlie, I tell you say something I make I know. You don't move my ex. Where the gifts that they buy give you, you take to social media. That's why you won't make you pay me. As the thing, I check like the girls shy and things. He take advantage. Where do I'm low key cry. They don't hear of them cry. They don't say anything for social media. Like I should say, it block them for everywhere. So it be in fault. Like the girl for shut up, or it be the other girl in fault say, you not tell them say you, I move your ex because it give them platform, it give them opportunity.
How do we tell them?
See, because men, that's what I talk saying. You know they happen with men. Women. They are very secretive.
Okay.
Yeah. And if they want something, they will make sure they will go for it. You know they can't say it be my party. No. So far as you are getting something where they be and when you get, I will get the things from there. You go pass your bag and go take.
In sister self, you do the pay.
In sister self, but men don't get that mentality like that. Men, mom, so I get I go chop, but low key, but nothing. But women are more J.
What go make your woman, since you be guy, what go make your woman forgive your party?
Honestly,
You know, I know experience from before.
Okay, me too. I know see some, but me, what are they trying to say? Unless the person be greedy, he be ungrateful, and then things. Unless you the guy to probably, you need to put your things right. You bab because if you the woman they way, you the treat them right, and they feel say she for day comfortable with you, and not be envious like you bab because the me and say be this kind of material things where they attract.
People go envy your woman. Oh, you treat her right. Make no talk. Deji. Stanley, you there for?
Enter you. Okay. So like at the talk. unless you really treat them right, because if you treat them right, at the first stage for they comfortable plus you, no matter what, because it be only a few way they really not be exposed, where they really not be moved by this kind ride, money, and then it's because
me I feel say every woman they love money, every woman has a price. The question is how much.
That's it.
It be true.
On the street.
Oh, and yes, street as a move.
On the street.
That street.
I didn't tell you. You know,
be there street. You know this code. It's a simple code.
No. What you say money? When you say money?
And that money. Every woman have a price. You don't say money.
No, that's why they talk. Say if you the woman day, where they make her feel comfortable, the price they want. You understand?
So you say comfortable. No, it be broad though. It be broad. Some woman be there. You do everything give her more.
Yeah.
But you know, some women be some way. Something be where they expect say you go do. Where you know go fit tell you say yo, I don't want these things.
See, I got some boy be I go mention name. In the mention name, they call him Ni. Need data. But this one there, if boys don't know me, go know how to talk about him. That guy. See, that guy. There's a men they be poly in that. But it be gentleman. Where as with the SS, maybe sometimes you change now. But I'm talking about high school. That guy would treat you like an angel. There was a time where he liked some girl, you proggy the girl no agree. That guy pretended to go mad for 1 week.
Hey!
Yes. Or then no one from there. Maybe the price of the girl be say somebody go value so much that he can even go crazy. And that guy knew that key. And the girl actually realized that she's the only person who can take that guy from his mental illness.
Okay.
The girl give the chance to the guy, but the guy break the girl in heart somehow.
The guy break the girl in heart.
Because they're not there now.
I be still with the man.
But all I'm saying is, as we date SS, they're the gangster.
That be the gangster.
That move be gangster move.
Yeah,
Guys,
because I don't know if it go mad.
Make a business.
Yeah, so that's your price.
Sometimes you go see your woman, they your party wow. Then they so it take like you are in a relationship and they are best friends. Your woman, they your party. Then they so then things you say you go someplace. Your woman you take a head put your party.
That's in the deal.
Here in chest stop where if you say okay you be the boss. No, should you encourage such?
No. It be no for me.
It will be no big no.
Boys the people say okay me I be the captain of the boat so you will make my party.
No. Charlie, anything go for open. No go fit trust woman like that. No go fit trust
boys be answer so.
Sure. Hey, how my woman then my friend will be tight like that? No, you know for helping so.
That.
You know, say if problem come, if your woman they run to that your party.
Yeah, that problem solvers. Them problem solvers.
Then they cause everything.
Then they take the women pass.
Me too. I get a different story again about problem solving. Let me take you back to high school again.
Solve the puzzle.
Yes. Then this guy and they dated this girl and they had an issue. So he sent his other friend. If they are watching, and they will know I'm talking about them. He sent his
you can't the show top can't worry people.
He sent his close friend to go and settle it.
Okay.
Before you realize they were dating, when the girl broke up with Ian rather. See, the thing pain the guy to the stand. If you go, the evening classes, the evening learning, so there's a prep. Obey content now. 2 hours no back to back content. See, if you read the content over and over straight 2 hours, and you don't even raise your head. See, he was broken out to the extent say, I don't want to talk some things. The thing affect them, it break them down. What's that said here? So on that level, I would say it's not advisable for your woman's first person to talk to about something going wrong is your best friend. If you move to my friend, I will move to my friend for back tell and say if you joke I will beat you.
Gangster.
Yeah. Some time ago, my party be.
I did rap up last year.
Some time ago, my woman come, then my ex, my woman come. Where my party they play, where it try go give them peg. You see my hand? They give my party. I give her the message. Then the woman there. I give her a message. It make confused. You know what to go turn up. Where Jimmy home? Your woman there. You see how they touch him. They come out here. What's up? Hi, dear. Welcome. That's how they do.
See, he be gangster.
So make no go too close to my woman like that.
Stanley, what be your advice? My time to go, so I want to ask you this: what be your advice give people whether they date them are parties, them are ex?
On a real, my only advice is say it won't last. It won't last. You know, you don't go rich anywhere.
Not at all.
Okay.
What they do, they actually.
But people marry you, people born. Yo.
See, that be what they talk.
Okay, you
then I try to say, if you want to go in for your best friend in X, it be two things. You either choose the X, be with the person, or you go choose your best friend. That be all.
All right, Envy.
Bro.
I they come. I they conclude that my time they really they go. So yeah, your advice give people.
At the second time.
Okay, it won't last.
It no go like me. I feel say that you go choose your best friend. Then you go let go the woman. Cause me, I don't go make any woman come to me and my party.
So it's best
that be
friend
the whole thing.
Over X or X over. All right.
If your party in mind there for solve the question. The party in mind no there for solve for back straight.
You say your party in mind there for find X. If you mind not there, you for still find X, but do a homework.
Long division.
Charlie, this is where we go end the show. Yeah, we did bus for us. This is where we can't chill for. Yeah, Charlie, thanks, Kwame MV, Big Boon. Thank you so much, Stanley. My name be Jeffrey Naughty. Follow me on Instagram at Jeffrey Naughty1 and on Twitter is Naughty_Jeffrey. We will continue the conversation. If you don't say your mind day where you get vibes at, come Moku Vibe. Your mind for day. What be there? We finish the show, so I go ask you. I know, but tell me, what be the solving question? You mean say make you eat out or back?
Things are full. The things are full. I said, let me go ask Joey. I'm trying to come around, man. I'm saying it. Let me go ask Joey.
Charlie, answer the question.
Let me go ask Joey.
Gangsta, you don't get him. Gangsta, you don't get him.
Solving question be say, it's a solving question. I ain't saying anything. Charlie, see, I know say lawyers go watch. Then we'll calculate the question. Before solve question plus girls when they come to your house.
But solve the right question.
Any woman come to your house, but you don't have to solve question.
If you like him answer.
Then you be shocked. You just solve questions, plan.
That's what I'm saying.
You got your